Okay, students, have you read SGP2? Yes. Now open your book at page number 2 and look at SGP2. The next, the second witness was called to the witness box. Then the second witness, the term of first witness was covered or over. Then the term of second witness came. Means here the second witness was called to the witness box. It is in passive voice. It is in passive voice. तार active voice देखो ये पिला माने देखो. The judge called the second witness to the witness box. If we write like that, first we write the object of active voice. When we change the second witness called verb, simple past. So we write was called. Then the phrase we use to the witness box. We don't write the doer here, the judge. We write the second witness was called to the witness box. The judge asked him. Then the judge asked him, when was the theft committed? Was it day or night? The judge first question सेमती पचारुछन्ति कोन ना when was the theft committed? Was it day or night? The second witness replied, it was night, your honor. What was the reply by the second witness? It was night. Then second witness कौन कहले कि राती. First witness कौन कहले it was day. Second witness कहले कौन ना it was night. Then the judge asked the next question. What? The judge next asked. तापर पुणी आप पचारले कौन second question कौन? How many persons were there at the time of the theft? How many persons? See here, how many persons were there at the time of the theft? हम केते लोग थिले? Judge पचारसन second question. What was the answer of the second witness? The witness replied, 25, my lord. What? 25. 25. 25. First witness कौन कहले 5. Second witness कहले कौन ना 25. 25, my lord. The judge finally asked the last question. The judge asked his third question or last one. Last question the judge asked. What was the last question? What was the color of the purse? What was the color of the purse? The purse means the stolen purse. What was the color of the stolen purse? Stolen purse रंग कौन थिला? जो पर्स का चोरी हेतिला तार रंग कौन थिला? What was the color of the stolen purse? Then see here, white, your honor, replied the witness. The witness replied what? White. See, white. Look at the difference. Reply by the first witness, reply by the second witness. When was the theft committed? When the first witness replied it was day, the second witness replied it was night. How many persons were there at the time of the theft? The first witness replied 5. The second witness replied 25. Then what was the color of the stolen purse? The first witness replied black. The second witness replied white. The questions are same. Yes, the answers are different. Okay, the answers are totally different to each other or contradictory. परस्पर पूरा अलग है माने विपरीत. अच्छा पिला माने टिके आउ टिके लक्ष्य कर देखो कोन कहूची मु ना टे मिस्टेक करछ सब कॉमन मिस्टेक जेमिति एट टिके लुक एट हियर लिखली कोन हियर द फर्स्ट विटनेस सेकंड विटनेस थर्ड विटनेस. हाउ मेनी विटनेसेस? हाउ मेनी? Yes, very good. 3 witnesses. 3 witness. If I write 3 witness, is it correct? It is correct है ना 3 witness. No. Here we have to write the plural form. कहीं ना कि 3 जन witness है जने witness 2 जन प्रथम witness द्वितीय witness तृतीय witness एला हम जेटा कहूचे टोटल केते जन ना 3 witness not witness. Witnesses. 3 witnesses you have to write 3 witnesses. We add es. Okay, now you read and remember. I will give you the homework or you have to do or worksheet you will do. Okay.